Preparing for a job interview in 3D printing, additive manufacturing, or CAD design. Master the most frequently asked technical Viva questions and boost your career. In this comprehensive guide, we break down the top 3D printing interview questions and answers. Whether you are a mechanical engineering student, rapid prototyping technician, product designer, or additive manufacturing specialist, this video equips you with expert-level answers to impress hiring managers.
Question number 1. What is 3D printing, and how does it work? Answer. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process of creating three-dimensional objects by layering materials based on digital models. The process starts with a digital 3D model, typically created using CAD software. The model is then sliced into thin layers, and the printer deposits material layer by layer to build the object. Question number 2. What are the main types of 3D printing technologies? Answer. The main types of 3D printing technologies include fused deposition modeling, FDM, uses thermoplastic filaments melted and extruded through a nozzle. Stereolithography, SLA, uses a laser to cure liquid resin into solid layers. Selective laser sintering, SLS, uses a laser to sinter powdered material, bonding it together. Digital light processing, DLP, similar to SLA, but uses a digital light projector to cure resin. Multi-jet fusion, MJF, uses inkjet arrays to apply fusing agents to powdered material, which is then fused with heat. Question number 3. What are some common materials used in 3D printing? Answer. Common materials used in 3D printing include plastics, for example, PLA, ABS, PEEK, widely used for various applications. Metals, for example, titanium, aluminum, stainless steel, used for industrial applications. Resins, used in SLA and DLP printing for detailed and smooth finishes. Ceramics, used in specialized applications for high temperature resistance. Composites, combinations of materials, such as carbon fiber reinforced plastics, for enhanced properties. Question number 4. What are the key advantages of 3D printing? Answer. The key advantages of 3D printing include customization, ability to produce unique or personalized items. Rapid prototyping, fast production of prototypes for testing and validation. Reduced waste, additive process results in less material waste compared to subtractive manufacturing. Complex geometry, capable of producing complex designs that would be difficult or impossible with traditional manufacturing methods. Question number 5. What are the limitations of 3D printing? Answer. Some limitations of 3D printing include material constraints, limited range of materials compared to traditional manufacturing. Surface finish, may require post-processing to achieve a smooth surface. Production speed, slower than some traditional manufacturing methods for mass production. Size constraints, limited by the build volume of the 3D printer. Question number 6. How is 3D printing impacting various industries? Answer. 3D printing is revolutionizing various industries, including healthcare, custom prosthetics, implants, and medical models. Aerospace, lightweight components and complex parts. Automotive, prototyping, tooling, and end-use parts. Fashion, custom clothing, accessories, and footwear. Construction, 3D printed houses and architectural models. Question number 7. What is the significance of 3D printing in prototyping? Answer. 3D printing plays a crucial role in prototyping by allowing designers and engineers to quickly produce physical models of their designs. This enables faster testing, iteration, and validation of concepts before committing to mass production, reducing time to market and development costs. Question number 8. Can 3D printing be used for mass production? Answer. While 3D printing is traditionally used for prototyping and small batch production, advances in technology are making it increasingly viable for mass production. Techniques like multi-jet fusion, MJF, and improvements in speed, material properties, and cost efficiency are enabling larger-scale production in industries like consumer goods and automotive. Question number 9. What are some challenges in adopting 3D printing technology? Answer. Challenges in adopting 3D printing include high initial costs. Investment in 3D printers and materials can be expensive. Material limitations. Not all materials are suitable for 3D printing. Skill requirements, requires knowledge of CAD software and 3D printing processes. Regulatory and quality standards, ensuring that 3D printed parts meet industry standards can be challenging. Question number 10. What is the future of 3D printing technology? Answer. The future of 3D printing is promising, with expected advancements in materials, development of new materials with enhanced properties, speed, faster printing processes for mass production, integration, combining 3D printing with other manufacturing processes, applications, expansion into new industries like food, pharmaceuticals, and electronics, sustainability, increased focus on using recycled materials and reducing environmental impact. Question number 11. How does 3D printing compare to traditional manufacturing methods? Answer. 3D printing differs from traditional manufacturing in several ways. Additive versus subtractive. 3D printing is an additive process, building objects layer by layer, whereas traditional methods like machining are subtractive, removing material from a solid block. Tooling. 3D printing requires no specialized tooling, reducing setup time and cost. Customization. 3D printing allows for easy customization, while traditional methods are more suited to mass production of identical items. Question number 12. What role does 3D printing play in supply chain management? Answer. 3D printing can significantly impact supply chain management by reducing lead times. Parts can be produced on demand, reducing the need for large inventories. Localized production. Items can be printed closer to the point of use, reducing shipping costs and lead times. Customization and flexibility. Manufacturers can quickly adapt to changes in demand or customization requests. Question number 13. What are the environmental impacts of 3D printing? Answer. The environmental impacts of 3D printing are a mix of positive and negative aspects. Positive, reduced material waste due to the additive process, potential for recycling materials, and the ability to produce parts locally, reducing transportation emissions. Negative, energy consumption can be high, especially for certain types of 3D printers, and some materials used in 3D printing are not biodegradable. Question number 14. How does 3D printing contribute to innovation in product design? Answer. 3D printing contributes to innovation in product design by allowing complex geometries. Designers can create intricate and complex shapes that would be impossible or expensive with traditional methods. Rapid iteration. Prototypes can be quickly modified and tested, speeding up the design process. Customization. Products can be tailored to individual needs, opening up new possibilities in fields like healthcare and fashion. Integration of functions. Multiple parts can be combined into a single print, reducing assembly time and enhancing product functionality. Question number 15. What is the significance of 3D printing in the medical field? Answer. 3D printing has a transformative impact on the medical field, including custom implants and prosthetics, tailored to fit individual patients, improving comfort and functionality. Surgical planning models. Surgeons can use 3D printed models of patients' anatomy to plan complex surgeries. Bioprinting. The potential to print tissues and organs, which could revolutionize transplantation and regenerative medicine. Medical devices. Rapid prototyping of medical devices allows for faster development and deployment. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more industry-specific interview tips and career advice. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. We're here to help you succeed in your steel industry career. Check out our other videos for more insights and stay tuned for upcoming content. Good luck with your interview, and see you in the next video.
If this video helps to you, please like, share and comment the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe the channel